Let's make this crispy rice paper dumplings recipe by ItsVeganSis. Ingredients and quantities listed in the comments. Start by grating a pack of tofu and dicing up a bunch of onion. Dice up some mushrooms
At like 4:30.
and a bunch of parsley. Heat some oil on medium-high and add in your onions, along with your mushrooms. Cook those down until the onions start to caramelize, and then add in your carrots, as well as the parsley. Cook that up for a couple minutes, and then add in the tofu and let that sit for a few minutes. Mix her up. And then add in some tomato paste and mix it all up again. And add salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder to taste. Remove the mixture from the heat and let it sit for a bit. And submerge your rice wraps into some lukewarm water to let it soften. And then you're just gonna scoop your toppings. I did about 2 tablespoons per wrap, and I would say that's kind of the max you would wanna put. And then you're gonna wrap these up and then put a second layer, once it's wrapped up, of the rice wrap on it, like this. And it'll basically just like give it more protection. And I tried 2 different ways to cook these. So 2 of them we're gonna do in the air fryer, and the rest we're gonna fry in some oil on the pan. This is how the pan ones turned out. I think I'm gonna recommend doing the air fryer method, only because these kind of got like soggy after they sat for a minute, and these ones stayed more crisp. Kind of depends on personal preference, honestly. Then for a dipping sauce, we're gonna mix up some soy sauce, some sesame oil, some chili flakes, proceed with caution, some rice vinegar, and some maple syrup or something to sweeten. Bon appetit, let me know if you try it.